Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to discuss relations for class 11. Consider two sets. First set P is set having elements A, B, C and Q. The second set having elements Ajay, Bhanu, Biju, Chahat, Mehak. Right? We are having two sets P and Q. Now the Cartesian product of P and Q has 15 ordered pairs which can be written as P cross Q is equal to ordered pair A comma Ajay, right? Then A comma Bhanu, then A comma Biju, A comma Chahat, A comma Mehak. Similarly, B comma Ajay, B comma Bhanu, B comma Biju, B comma Chahat, B comma Mehak, and then ordered pairs C comma Ajay, C comma Bhanu, C comma Biju, C comma Chahat, and C comma Mehak. So if you count, these are all 15 ordered pairs I have written here, right? Now we can obtain a subset of P cross Q by introducing a relation R between first element X and second element Y of each ordered pair X comma Y as relation I am taking X comma Y, where X is a first letter of name Y, right? X is a first letter of the name Y. So X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. That is, X belongs to first set and Y belongs to the second set. Then what relation will get? I repeat, I will write the alphabet, first alphabet of the name, right? So A ordered pairs will get A comma Ajay, B comma Bhanu, B comma Biju, and C comma Chahat, right? Now, if you want to represent this visually, a visual representation of this relation, which is called as an arrow diagram, is first set P is having elements A, B, C, and set Q is having Ajay, Bhanu, Biju, Chahat, and Mehak, right? So A is the first alphabet of the name. So A for Ajay, B for Bhanu, and B for Biju, and C for Chahat, and Mehak remains as it is. So I define a relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset or Cartesian product of A cross B. Right? Relation is a subset or the Cartesian product of two sets, that is A cross B. The first set of elements of ordered pairs in the relation R from set A to a set B is called the domain of the relation. I repeat, the set of all first elements of ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the domain of the relation. For example, domain will be set A comma B comma C, right? Then the set of all second elements in the relation R from set A to a set B is called the range of the relation R. The set of all second elements in a relation R from set A to a set B is called the range of the relation. So range will be Ajay, Bhanu, Biju, and Chahat, right? And the whole set B is called the codomain of the relation. So codomain will be the whole set Ajay, Bhanu, Biju, Chahat, Mehak, right? So here it's important, range is subset or equal to codomain, right? So now we come move ahead. A relation can be represented algebraically either by roster method or by the set builder method, right? If you remember, set can be represented by two ways, roster method and set builder form method. Similarly, relation can also be represented either by roster method or by set builder method. An arrow diagram is the visual representation of a relation, which we have discussed earlier also just now. Now, if a set A has P elements, that is cardinal number of A, that is n of A is equal to small p, and a set B has Q elements, that is cardinal number of B. So n of B is equal to Q. Then n of A cross B will be what? P multiplied by Q. Right? This we have discussed earlier also in Cartesian product. If first set has P elements and second set has Q elements, then number of elements in the Cartesian product is equal to P into Q. And total number of relations will be 2 raised to power PQ. Right? So I come to first question. Let A set A has elements 1 and 2, set B has elements 3, 4, 5. Find the number of relations from A to B. So n of A is equal to 2, n of B is equal to 3. So n of A cross B will be 2 into 3, that is 6. Therefore, number of relations from A into B will be 2 raised to power 6, that is 64. Second question is, let A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation from A to A by R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, x comma y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Right, so R is equal to x comma y ordered pair. 3x minus y is equal to 0. So this can also be written as y is equal to 3x, where x comma y belongs to A. Right, now see, when you put x equal to 1 here, y will be equal to 3. So first order pair will be 1 comma 3. When you substitute 2 here, so y x2, so y will be 6. Similarly, if you put x3, y will be 9. And if you substitute x4, y will be equal to 12. You cannot substitute values further. Why? Because if I put x equal to 5, you get y is equal to 15, and 15 is not present here in the set A. Right? So the relation is ordered pairs 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 12. Now what will be the domain? All first elements of the ordered pairs. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Codomain will be the whole set A, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 14, and range will be the second elements of the ordered pairs, 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12. Next question is, define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers by R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4 and both x and y belongs to n. Depict this relation using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. Now put the values of x here. If I put x 1, y will be 6. Put x equal to 2, y will be 7. And if you put y is x equal to 3, y will be 8. Right? So we cannot put further values of x because x is a natural number less than 4. So the ordered pairs are 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. So what will be its domain? Domain will be the set of all first elements of the ordered pair. So 1 comma 2 comma 3, and range will be the second element of the all second elements of the ordered pairs. So range will be 6 comma 7 comma 8. I hope you have understood. Thank you.